Happy Friday, everybody. Chris Magnotta, your lender for all over Colorado. Of course, coming to you with my Friday market update. And today I'm going to answer one of the questions I get all the time is, has the housing market bottomed out? So let's take a quick review of 2022. And during 22, prices went up significantly in the first half of the year, only to soften a little bit in the second half of the year. Prices still ended up year over year, but going into 2023 is a little bit of a mixed bag at the start of the year. But I've been talking about how I've been seeing a lot of bidding wars and prices going up for the last couple months. Well, now the data, which of course always lags behind real time, is supporting what I've been talking about. Zillow has said that housing prices are going up. Black Knight, which is a leading source of housing related data, housing prices are going up. FHFA, which is the regulatory body that regulates Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, lending, they say housing prices are going up. And CoreLogic, which is probably the leading source of housing related data, say housing prices have gone up. The bottom has been reached. So if you're wondering if housing prices are going up, the answer is yes. Yes, they are. And in other good news to report, the PPI, which is the Producer Price Index, came out on Wednesday, and it showed significant decline in wholesale level inflation. Let me show you. So this this red line here is the PPE, which again, this gauges wholesale level inflation. Shows it going down significantly. So about a year ago, it was up as high as 11.7. A month ago, it was at 4.9. And then as of Wednesday of this week, it went all the way down to 2.7. And why that is such a big deal is because the Producer Price Index, being a wholesale measurement, is a great leading indicator of the Consumer Price Index, or what consumers are going to end up paying, because of course, if things get cheaper on a wholesale level, that will eventually trickle down to the consumer level. So that is some really good news, and not just for your pocketbook, but also for the future of mortgage rates, because as inflation goes down, so do mortgage rates. So you're looking at inflation, which is the orange line, versus mortgage rates, which is the blue line. And you can see that when inflation goes down, so do mortgage rates. And so when we see drops in inflation, we're going to see reduction in interest rates as well. So should you wait to buy? Probably not, because prices are going to be going up. And if you wait, you're just going to end up paying more for your house, and you're going to be paying a lot more for your house than it's going to be costing you to refinance into a lower interest rate down the road. If you like this video, click like. If you have any questions about financing a home, give us a call. Have a great weekend.